Hi viewers, welcome to Mechanical Boost. In this video, we are going to discuss the symptoms of a clogged fuel injector. Before going to discuss the symptoms, let's take a look at the function of the fuel injector. The primary function of the fuel injector is to deliver precisely metered amounts of fuel into the combustion chambers of the engine at the correct time, and under the appropriate conditions. It precisely controls the amount of fuel delivered to the engine. This is essential for maintaining the correct air-fuel ratio, required for efficient combustion. The fuel injectors are usually located on the engine's intake side, under the fuel rail, which is often located on the intake manifold. If you have a diesel car, your fuel injector is likely located in the cylinder head. Let's take a look at the common symptoms of a clogged fuel injector. 1. Engine misfires. A clogged fuel injector may not spray fuel properly into the combustion chamber, leading to incomplete combustion or fuel distribution imbalance. This can cause misfires as some cylinders receive insufficient fuel while others may receive too much. The engine misfires lead to uneven power delivery and engine shaking. 2. Poor engine performance. When a fuel injector is clogged, it cannot deliver the necessary amount of fuel to the engine for efficient combustion. As a result, the engine may struggle to produce power, leading to sluggish acceleration, lack of power, or difficulty starting, especially under load or high demand conditions. 3. Rough idling. Irregular fuel delivery from a clogged injector can disrupt the engine's idle speed control system and causes the engine to idle roughly, or inconsistently. Your engine may fluctuate between high and low RPMs, leading to rough idling. 4. Decreased fuel efficiency. A clogged fuel injector disrupts the proper fuel-to-air ratio required for efficient combustion. This imbalance can lead to incomplete combustion, wasted fuel, and decreased fuel efficiency as the engine compensates for the inadequate fuel delivery. 5. Black smoke from exhaust. Incomplete combustion caused by a clogged injector results in unburned fuel entering the exhaust system. This excess fuel burns incompletely, producing black smoke as a byproduct. This black smoke indicates a rich air-fuel mixture. 6. Check engine light. An illuminating check engine light is one of the most common symptoms of a bad or clogged fuel injector. Please note that the check engine light can also be activated for various other reasons. In case of a clogged fuel injector, your vehicle computer may also trigger a trouble code such as P0171, P0174, P0300, P0301, P0302, P0303, P0304, P0305, P0306, or P0307. It may also trigger P0200, P0201, P0202, P0203, P0204, P0205, P0206, or P0207. 7. Fuel odor. A clogged injector can cause fuel to leak or be incompletely burned in the combustion chamber. This incomplete combustion of the fuel leads to a strong smell of unburned fuel inside or outside the vehicle. 8. Engine knocking or pinging. Insufficient fuel delivery from a clogged injector can lead to engine knocking or pinging noises, especially under load or during high-demand situations. This occurs when the air-fuel mixture ignites prematurely or unevenly, causing the combustion process to become erratic. 9. Failed emissions test. If the fuel injector spray pattern has changed, and it is injecting too little or too much fuel into the engine, then your car will most likely not pass the emission test. This is because too much fuel, or too little will be enough to increase the emissions, and the catalytic converter will not be able to do its job properly. 10. Difficulty starting. A severely clogged fuel injector may make it difficult for the engine to start, especially when cold. This is because the engine may not receive sufficient fuel for proper ignition, leading to extended cranking times, or failure to start altogether. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it's essential to have your fuel injector inspected, and cleaned or replaced if necessary. Ignoring the problem can lead to further damage to your engine and decrease fuel efficiency. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, share the video.